Are you ready to stop the Alink Library DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll explain the fix and show you how to automate the repair. While we explore the technical guide for Alink Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Alink Library, the assembly linker library for .NET. It manages the localized unmanaged orchestration of combining multiple localized MSIL modules into a single localized assembly manifest, essential for localized developer tools and dynamic localized code compilation. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The most effective manual strategy is to reinstall Visual Studio Assembly Linker. Go to the Microsoft download page, select both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ packages, and run them to replace the library. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Alink library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Keep in mind that Alink Library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Alink Library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Alink Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.